What if you could not see, speak, or hear? That is how a woman named Helen Keller lived. Helen Keller could not speak, see, or hear. Helen was born in Alabama on June 27, 1880. When she was just 1 year old, she became very ill. She almost died. Helen was born in this house in 1880. Helen got better, but she could no longer see or hear. She did not learn to speak as a young child. This is Helen at age 7. Life was hard for Helen and her family. Helen did not know what her family was saying or doing. She could not tell people what she needed. Helen could not talk to her family. Helen's parents found a teacher to help her. The teacher's name was Annie Sullivan. Annie came to live with Helen's family. Annie Sullivan, she's on the right, was Helen's teacher. Annie taught Helen using touch. She spelled words on Helen's hands. The first word Helen learned was water. Helen learned very quickly. Annie spelled words on Helen's hand. Annie helped Helen learn to speak and to write. Helen learned to read Braille with her fingertips. Annie even went with Helen to college. Helen finished college in 1904. People all over the world wanted to learn about Helen. She gave speeches and wrote books. She met many famous people. So Helen's in the center right here, and she met U.S. President Eisenhower in 1953. Helen and Annie were together until Annie died in 1936. Then a woman named Polly Thompson helped Helen. So Eleanor Roosevelt is right here. They met Eleanor Roosevelt, and then this is Helen and Polly. Helen died on June 1st, 1968. She could not see or hear, but she did not let that stop her from being an important person. Helen lived to be almost 88 years old. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys!